This my topic is planning. Planning is a primary function of management. Planning is to decide in advance for future. There are three types of planning: a strategic plan, operational plan, and contingency plan. In a strategic plan, we decide the organizational goal or objective. Operational plan, in this plan we know about how a strategic plan accomplished, and in contingency plan, keep all options open.
My name is Aniket Kumar Soni and I am from BBA 1B. My topic is decision making. The word decision making means to come to a conclusion. It commences with goal setting, searching of alternative goals, and choose the best suitable option based on analysis. The process of goal decision making. The first process of goal setting decision making is the first process of decision making is recognition of the problem, and second step is the gathering of information relevant to the topic. And third step is listing and evaluating alternative course of action, and then finally manager choose the best suitable option. If the option is choose correctly and suitable alternative options are available, then this step is more successful. Thank you.
Good morning to everyone. Good morning, ma'am. I am Ayaz Khan for BBA B, section B, and my topic is demands. Demand is ability to pay, willingness to spend, low demand, inverse relationship between price and quantity demands, determinant of demands, normal goods, inferior goods, personal preference, luxurious goods, elasticity of demands, percentage change in demand to be percentage change in price. Types of elasticity of demands: perfectly elasticity demands, perfectly inelastic demands, relatively elasticity of demand, relatively inelastic demands, unitary elastic demands. फिर इनकम elasticity of demands कहता है percentage change in demand by percentage change in incomes. Types of income elasticity demand में positive income elastic demands, फिर आता है positives का negative income elastic demands और zero income elastic.
Good morning everyone. Good morning ma'am. My name is Ankit Kumar. My topic is management. Management is what manager do. According to F.W. Taylor, management is an art of getting things done through others with effectively and efficient way to achieve the organizational goal. There are 5 functions in management: planning, organizing, staffing, directing and controlling. There are 3 levels of management: top level management, middle level management and lower level of management. Every manager needs to possess 3 types of managerial skills. First one is conceptual, second one is technical and third one is human. Conceptual skill comprises manager ability to deal with people or a mental ability. Technical means doing a specific task, or human skill means interact with a manager must know how to interact with the people. Role of a manager: there are 3 roles of a manager: interpersonal, decisional or informational. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. I am Swastik Satya from BBA 1B and my topic is classical theory of management. Classical management theory consists of a group of similar ideas on management of organization that evolved in late 19th century and early 20th century. Classical management theory is based on the belief that workers have only physical and economical needs. It does not take into account social needs and job satisfaction. But instead advocates specialization of labor specialization of labor, centralized leadership, and decision making and profit maximization. Thank you.
Respected Neetu ma'am and my dear friend, today I am here to tell about what is planning, types of plan, and decision making. So what is planning? The planning is to determining the future course of action. The planning is the gap between two bridges, where we stand and where we to go. Planning what is to be done, how is to be done, and who is to be done. Types of plan. There are three types of plan: strategic plan, operational plan, and contingency plan. Strategic plan to determine the goals and objectives. After the determining the goals and objectives, operational plan. The how the plan will formulated, and after this the contingency plan to get ready for the future situation to plan B, and the decision making to come to a situation. The first, there are four types of technique: brainstorming, nominal, delphi, and dialectic. Brainstorming, the manager gives some question to everyone to give some solution of this. The disadvantage, the time consuming and the lengthy process, them all nominal. The manager gives some note and gives
Paper is given
Yes.
so that
the manager gives some sheet and tell everyone to give solution and send reality. The manager calls some professional to give solution and for advantage. All are professional question, no time consuming and best solution and didactic. After the professional,
Delphi.
then didactic.
You have explained didactic in Delphi and Delphi is missing. Expert's opinion is called as
Same thing.
Delphi. Whereas when you are taking the opinion, yes or no, that is called as Delphi. Very good. Yes, of course.
Then after the Delphi, the solution is given. The last option manager choose yes or no. The solution is proper or improper. Thank you.
It's not necessary that every time all four will be implied. Alright? Sometimes you may get your answer just by brainstorming. When you are not satisfied with brainstorming, then you will proceed with nominal. And in case if you are not even satisfied with nominal, say for example you have chosen 5 to 6 options, really which are very good from nominal, then you give it to the Delphi, then you propose it to the experts. They will say this is good, this is bad, these are the advantages, these are the disadvantages, and then in case if you are still dissatisfied, then you will choose what not, what to do it.